That stick needs to go. So this is the worst camera angle ever. So today we're doing another out of the box video, and I'm going to explain a little bit what we're going to be doing. It's going to be, let me flip the phone, about these blinds, and especially and mostly about that stick. That stick is making everything hard. This is the IKEA Fridans blind, and as you can see, well, it comes with the stick, but you cannot put the stick on the other side, where I want it, but that's not a possibility. So I put it on this side, but that stick is horrible to make the blinds go up. If you pull it down, like I'm pulling really hard and it's slowly coming. It's really stiff. I'm already out of breath just trying to do it. So mostly what I end up doing is just pulling it like this. See, that works. But now I need to get it up, and it's so hard to do. So yeah, we need to change that. Little disclaimer, I'm not saying that you need to do this. So if you do this, it's at your own risk. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I just want to show you. I've got two more of those blinds. One tiny one and a slightly bigger one. For the small ones, it works okay. So those I'm gonna leave, but the big one needs to go. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna try. So I got it down. That was a whole debacle. I'm not gonna show you that. But what I wanna do is I want to remove the stick from here. So I think I'm just going to carefully try and get this part off without touching the strings inside. I think I'm gonna use this one and just try and get it off. I need to first get this bottom part off. So I found this on the other side of the stick. So you can clearly see the chain or the rope in here with the balls. This is where it's attached. And I think I can get this off by pushing this in. So let's see if we can push it down. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work. I think I need to pry this off, but I need to get in between somehow. I'm just gonna break it. I just hope that it comes off once I get it to be unlocked here. Okay. So let's see if we can pull it backwards now. Okay. That's part number one. Let me show you. So here's the stick.
I found a stick on the ground and I'm gonna use it. All the power that it holds, I'm totally gonna use it.
My arm's not long enough. So here's the stick that I just took off. And this is what's still attached. Like, I want to get that chain out. I think I'm just gonna try and carefully take this off, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that while it's attached. So let me have a think about that. So I was able to pull it out. So now I can just start and get this off with the saw. So this is the worst camera angle ever, and I hope my phone is not gonna fall. I'm just gonna carefully try and saw this off. I need to get a start on it. Well, you're going all over the place. Hold, please. Let's see if that works. I don't want to break it. So this is what I got so far. I just took the pliers and just broke the plastic away so I could get to this piece, because now I can unlock the chain. At least I'm supposed to. Yeah, that was a two-hand job. So I just got this off. You can see that's what's connecting the chain, but now I can flip this over and I can put my blade in here so I can get the rest off. So I'm just gonna slowly work my way around. And yeah, that should be done very quickly. So I was able to get the other side off. So now I can see where the other piece of the rope is. So now I can carefully get this off, because now I know how deep I'm going. So yeah, just a couple more minutes. So I got it off. I'm just gonna clean this up, and then I'm just gonna put everything back together and see if it actually works. Otherwise, it's going to be a very expensive, yeah, it's going to be very expensive if it doesn't work. Okay, as you can see, it's hanging. And I need to stand up here. The only thing I've noticed is if you pull it, it tends to rock at the top. Can you see? But I can actually pull it down and pull it back up. I just think, let me pull it back down a little bit. I just think I need to get something that will stabilize it, because now it's going like that. Probably just gonna put a screw in it or something, but it's working. And that was my whole point. Maybe put a weight on the bottom, but yeah, so that's it. That's how I did it. Little disclaimer. I'm not saying that you need to do this. I am saying this is what I did because I hated that stick. So if you do this, it's at your own risk. That stick is there for a reason. Please, IKEA, don't come to me. Please update this product. So here's my final update. As you can see, I made the chain, I made the rope a lot longer by adding an extra one. And I just put some metal wire around it, so that's not going anywhere. Also, in the kit I bought, and I bought it at Yisk, it's a replacement mechanism for the blind stay cell. So I got the chain from that one, but I also took the safety mechanism from that kit. So this is screwed into the wall, and that chain is not going to go anywhere. So now I can just pull it and it will move through. So that is how I made it safe. I don't have children, I don't have cats or any pets that are gonna jump up here, but I still wanted to make it safe if I ever have anybody visiting, even though it's behind my curtains. It's now secured, so now it's safe for children and pets. So this is one of my solutions to make it safe, even though it's not the stick that IKEA sells. So thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!